I passed a prop firm evaluation with this one simple trade, and today I'm gonna show you everything that was behind it and how I approached it. Let's hop into the charts, guys. So guys, this is the trade I'm talking about. It's a Solana short from May. It was from around 8 days ago, and today I'm gonna show you everything that I looked at this trade and how I passed the evaluation with one single trade. First of all, there is of course always a system behind it, guys. As you can see, price retraced into this discount zone on the hour 4. The green zone is my discount zone. We've been in this zone for quite some time now. On February we had this big leg down, as in the last video on the short. The big leg down is still valid. We are still in this range, and while we are in this range I am shorting the discount zone, and as you can see we retraced pretty far into it. That is a very good area for my system to take shorts, and I just pop out the market structure tool and analyze market structure. Very simple according to my rules, and as you can see we swept the highs right here. So this is my liquidity grab that I'm talking about, or that I'm waiting for. I always tag it with a green dot, and after that I just look at the last low that is valid to break, and this low right here brought us to this high. So this is the low that we have to break to shift market structure, and once we shift market structure, as you can see we closed one candle below. That's not enough yet. We're gonna wait for a second candle, and as you can see the second candle closed below as well, so that confirms my market structure. Now we are already in the discount zone on hour 4. We have a valid market structure shift on the hour 1 according to the rules that I teach to my students as well in my one-on-one. Now the third thing I'm looking at is a valid RSI divergence. As you can see, price is making higher highs, and on the RSI we are making steady lower highs. That is an RSI divergence, a bearish RSI divergence, and that gives me confidence to enter this short right here. And because I wanna pass this evaluation with one trade, I'm not market entering as I would normally. On my normal accounts I would just market enter here with my stop loss above the second high that broke structure, and I would target 2R. But in this case I need more R obviously to pass, since I need 10% as a goal, and I'm risking around 2.5% on this trade. I rather risk a little bit more on the challenge, save some time, but I get it done quicker. But of course I will breach the occasional challenge, guys. That's just part of the game. So I'm going on the hour 4 and I'm looking for a point of interest for a limit entry, and as you can see we are created this valid imbalance on the hour 4. It's 3 bearish candles and in between is the imbalance, so that's perfectly valid. When I pull up to here I can get a way better RR in case I get filled, and as you can see I set the limit entry at the fair value gap, and I am targeting, since I risk 2.5R, I'm targeting 4R on this trade. Stop loss is above the high, and then you just let the trade play out. You're gonna wait, and as you can see we dumped pretty well. We're just gonna let the trade run, and as you can see we touched the full take profit target right here around 7 days later, and that was my hour 1 hour 4 system, the system that I teach to all my one-on-one students. It's very simple, very straightforward, but there is a lot of rules sprinkled into it that you need to adjust and that I teach the guys in my one-on-one mentorship. If you're interested in that, check the links down below, send me a DM on X or on Instagram. We'll have a little chat, see if you are the right fit, since I'm not taking everybody, and then we can get you started. But this was the hour 4 hour 1 system, obviously with a little bit of a rule change since I wanted to pass this evaluation. First of all, I limit entered at this fair value gap right here, and my take profit was no liquidity point, nothing. It was just the pure 4R to pass the challenge with the 2.5 risk. And that was the goal with this trade, guys, and that's everything that is behind this trade. I obviously got the certificate that I passed the challenge, and yeah, took it on Breakout, my trusted prop firm for crypto. Also Bright Funded is my second trusted prop firm where I trade Nasdaq. Both top firms paid me over 300k, and yeah, I think that talks by itself. I don't need to explain much more. If you're interested, check links down below. With my codes you get a nice discount. So guys, I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you learned something, let me know. Write a comment, like, subscribe for more. And if you're interested in the one-on-one mentorship where I get you to a full-time trader in 6 months, then send me a DM on X or on Instagram. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.